So who is Eshu Onile Orita?
Hello everybody, I am using this opportunity to invite you to our symposium that is being organized by the Eshu is Not Satan Lagos chapter and John Randu Center for Yoruba Culture and History at John Randu Center here on the 23rd of December 2025 by 5 p.m. We are going to be having a panel discussion on religion at the crossroads of good and bad.
Eshu is the only deity that found itself as it is in the Bible and in the Quran.
We are going to be having the Muslims, the Christians, and the traditionalists. We will all have a representative. We are not debating, we are not arguing, we are not fighting. Just a peaceful conversation on religion, on what we hold dear to our hearts. Everybody will express themselves. We are going to also break bread, eat, drink, and have fun together.